Artificial sweeteners, particularly aspartame, have long been marketed as a healthier alternative to sugar, yet concerns about their effects on the body persist. A recent study adds to these concerns, suggesting that aspartame consumption may contribute to insulin spikes, blood vessel inflammation, and the development of atherosclerosis, a dangerous buildup of plaque in the arteries. This raises serious questions about the long-term impact of artificial sweeteners on cardiovascular health. The study, conducted on mice predisposed to heart disease, found that those given aspartame developed larger and more fatty plaques in their arteries compared to control groups. Blood tests revealed a significant increase in insulin levels, a response that could potentially alter insulin sensitivity over time. To further investigate, researchers conducted similar tests on monkeys and observed the same temporary insulin spikes. Additionally, in lab experiments, they identified a particular inflammatory molecule, SEX3CL1, which appears to play a role in aspartame's effects on blood vessels. These findings suggest a possible mechanism linking aspartame to cardiovascular disease, something that has remained unclear in previous research. However, while these results may seem alarming, experts urge caution before jumping to conclusions. The study has several limitations, including its reliance on mice that were genetically modified to be highly susceptible to heart disease and were fed a high-fat, high-cholesterol diet. These conditions already increase the likelihood of heart problems, making it difficult to determine how much of the effect was due to aspartame alone. Additionally, researchers did not measure how much aspartame the mice actually consumed, leaving uncertainty about the dosage and its relevance to human consumption. Human studies on aspartame have not consistently shown harmful effects on cholesterol, blood sugar, or insulin levels. Regulatory agencies, including the FDA and the European Food Safety Authority, have reviewed decades of research and maintain that aspartame is safe for human consumption within established limits. Experts emphasize that, at present, there is no strong clinical evidence proving that aspartame increases cardiovascular risk in humans. Despite this, the study highlights the need for continued research. While artificial sweeteners help reduce calorie intake, they're not necessarily a risk-free substitute for sugar. The potential for long-term metabolic effects, including insulin resistance and inflammation, should not be ignored. People who regularly consume diet sodas and other artificially sweetened products should be mindful of their overall diet and consider natural alternatives when possible. In the end, moderation remains key. While aspartame may not be as harmful as some fear, its role in health is still not fully understood. Relying too heavily on artificial sweeteners could have unintended consequences, and a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods remains the best way to protect long-term cardiovascular and metabolic health.